sisters, and all my dear friends. It is that time of the year where there are colors and an atmosphere of excitement all around. Today we are going to celebrate Holi festival. I am Dhani Agrawal of 2nd B. I am feeling great to speak few words on this beautiful festival Holi. Holi is a popular Hindu festival. It is celebrated every year on the day after the full moon in the Hindu month of Phagun. It is celebrated with the name of Holika Dahan on the first evening of the festival, and the following day is called Holi. On the day of Holi, people play with colors with their friends and family members. Friends, Holi is based on a legend. So I request my friend Riyansh Vidyarthi to speak few words on that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Riyansh Vidyarthi. I study in standard 2nd B. I am going to tell you a story about Holi. Holi is based on a legend. There was once a demon king by the name of Hiranyakashipu. He had a son Prahlad. Prahlad was the greatest devotee of Lord Vishnu. But Hiranyakashipu did not like this. He wanted to kill Prahlad. So he called his sister Holika. Holika had a magic robe which had the power to save the wearer from burning fire. Hiranyakashipu ordered his sister to sit on a burning fire with Prahlad so he could be killed. But Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad and Holika was burned to death. So friends, Holi is a festival of colors and is a celebration of victory of good over evils. Thank you.
Story of Holi. Holi gets its name from Holika, demon king Hiranyakaship's sister. Hiranyakaship had got a boon from Lord Brahma that he would not be killed by man or animal, at day or night, inside or outside, above or on the ground. So Hiranyakaship said that only he should be worshipped and not God. His own son Prahlad continued to worship Lord Vishnu. This made his father angry. He asked Prahlad to jump from a mountain, but he remained unhurt. Even when Hiranyakaship made Prahlad jump in a well, he was unharmed. Then Hiranyakaship ordered that wild elephants should trample Prahlad, but he was not hurt. Next, Prahlad was put in a room with poisonous, angry snakes. But still, nothing happened to him. Finally, Holika made Prahlad sit on a pyre with her. She was protected by a shawl that kept her from being burned. The shawl flew from her to Prahlad. So, while Holika burned, Prahlad was safe. Lord Vishnu appeared as half man, half lion, and killed Hiranyakaship at dusk on his porch steps. A Holika bonfire is lit every year to remind us of the victory of good over evil. Holi is celebrated on the day after the bonfire.
Hello, my name is Anisha. I am studying 2nd B. Holi celebration start on the night before Holi with Holika Dahan, where people gather, perform religious rituals. People light bonfire on the evening of Holi to celebrate the victory of good over bad, which is called Holika Dahan. Friends, let's see my friend Gargi performing Holi Puja.
लेके पूजा की थाली जोत मन की जगाली तेरी आरती उतारूं भोली माँ तू जो दे दे सहारा, सुख जीवन का सारा, तेरे चरणों पे वारूं बोली माँ। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, लेके पूजा की थाली जोत मन की जगाली, तेरी आरती उतारूं बोली माँ। तू जो दे दे सहारा, सुख जीवन का सारा, तेरे चरणों पे वारूं बोली माँ। ओ माँ, ओ माँ।
Hello everyone, my name is Rajab Kaurmaraj. I study in 2nd B. Holi is celebrated in different ways in different parts of India. In Maharashtra, Holi is known as Rang Panchami. Celebration includes Holika Dahan and playing Holi with wet and dry colors. In Punjab, people celebrate this day as Hola Mahalla to pay a tribute to the warriors of the country. This celebration includes martial arts, horse riding and reciting poetry. Thank you. My name is Sahana Nikajut, studying 2nd B. Latman Holi is very famous in Uttar Pradesh. In Barsana, Mathura and Vrindavan, women run after men with lathis and playfully hit them. In West Bengal, people celebrate Holi as Dol Jatra. They decorate the idol of Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha with flowers. Thank you. Happy Holi. When we talk about Holi celebration, we think sweet, gujia, masala kachori, crispy papad and thandai. This Holi hit to your heart content.
घुंघरू ढोल बड़े ये छलक छलक वो धमक धमक सब निकले हैं पीपी के घड़े ये लपक लपक वो धुमक धुमक छम छम नाचे परियों के घड़े ये थिरक थिरक वो मटक मटक ये छलक छलक वो ढलक ढलक ये छलक छलक वो धमक धमक ये लपक लपक वो धुमक धुमक ये थिरक थिरक वो मटक मटक।
रंग छलके है नीले हर लाल, रंग रैली में रंग खेलूंगी, रंग जाऊंगी, रंग गहरे हैं अब के साथ।
अब हमें कोई रोके नहीं, अब हमें कोई टोके नहीं, अब होने दो हो जो भी हाल। देखो आई होली रंग लाई होली चली पिचकारी बुरा है गुलाल।
होली की है घटा मन झूठा, रंग छलके है नीले हर लाल।
देखो आई होली रंग लाई होली आज हुआ एक कमाल।
रंग ऐसे उड़े दिखने में लगे कोई रंगी हवाओं के पास।
आयो रे कान्हा आयो रे आयो, रंगों की बहार लायो, आयो कान्हा आयो।
हो आज ब्रिज में है होरी रसिया, इतने आए हैं कुंवर कन्हैया।
हो आज ब्रिज में है होरी रसिया, इतने आए हैं कुंवर कन्हैया।
आज है दोनों रे दोनों मगन, राधा को अपनाने आए किशन। हो रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग, हो रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग, हो रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग।
वो तेरी भंग के नशे में आज रंग रसिया, भीगी चुनर मोरी भीगी मोरी अंगिया। हो आयो रे फागुन आयो रे, मोरे कान्हा जो आयो पलट के, अब की होरी में खेलूंगी डट के। ओ मोरे कान्हा जो आयो पलट के, अब की होरी में खेलूंगी डट के।
हो रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग, हो रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग रंग दे रंग।
बंसी की धुन पे टोलियां थम गई, अपने प्रीतम से गोपियों की ठन गई।
हो अबीर की बरखा में ऐसा रंग डाला, सांवरी सी राधा सांवरे लाला। मोरी के रंग में गोरिया रंग गई, हो राधा रानी कान्हा जी में रम गई।
मोरे कान्हा जो आयो पलट के, अब के होरी में खेलूंगी डट के। हो मोरे कान्हा जो आयो पलट के, अब के होरी में खेलूंगी डट के।
भरत पिचकारी वो करे खिलवारी, जाने न दूंगा तो है इस बारी। छोड़ी जग की सारी लाज, प्रीत की भाग चखी, प्रीत की भाग चखी।
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Miss Aratha Jadhav. I study in standard 2nd B. Today I am here present Happy Holi speech. Holi is famous festival of Hindus. It is festival of colors. It is 2-day festivals. First day night we do Holika Dahan, and second day people play with colors. It is festival full of fun and enjoyment. Thank you and wishing a very very happy.
A very happy Holi to all of you. We, the children of Second B, are very grateful to everyone that you became a part of our celebration. We are very thankful to our principal ma'am who encouraged and blessed us for this successful event. I thank the Bhavant Ashti team for making this celebration very colorful by their guidance. Thank you everyone.